important topic of the statistics, we will apply the number of methods in this topic. What is the meaning of measure of central tendency? Anybody else? What is the meaning of measure of central tendency? Write down. Average is single value that represent whole group. That is the meaning of measure central tendency. There are various measure of central tendency. First, arithmetic mean. Second, median. And third, mode. Fourth, geometric mean. And last, harmonic mean. One by one, we will apply these methods. First, we will discuss arithmetic mean or mean. Both are same. We can say that is the first measure of central tendency method is arithmetic mean represented by AM or mean. Both are same. You can say. First of all, what is the meaning of arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean. Write down. Arithmetic mean of a given set of observation is the ratio of their sum and the number of observation. It is denoted by X bar. X bar represent of arithmetic mean or mean. This is the symbol of arithmetic mean. That is X bar. X bar represent arithmetic mean or mean. There are several methods in this method arithmetic mean. First is for individual series. Individual series come under the direct method. For individual series come into the first method is direct method. Direct, what is the meaning of the direct method? Let x1, x2, x3 and so on xn. These are the n number of observation. These are the n number of observation in individual series under come direct method. Are n individual observation, then mean x bar equal to, x bar represent for arithmetic mean or mean, x bar equal to sum of the number of the observation x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on xn divided by total number of the observation represented by n. Total number of the observation represented by n. This is a formula for direct method for individual series. Shortcut way, we can represent x bar equal to summation x divided by n. Summation x value is x1 plus x2 plus x3, total number of the observation, represented by summation x divided by n. X bar is equal to summation x by n. Clear? Question: a power plant manager determine the number of days the generation at a power station are out of service to regular maintenance or some multiple function are 7, 23, 4, 8, 2, 4, 9, 13, 8, 6. Find the arithmetic mean of the behavior of all generators. This is the question. Depend on the individual series, and we will apply direct method on this question. First of all, find arithmetic mean behavior of all generators. First, we have number of observation represented by n. Count the number of the observation in this question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means n equal to 10. N equal to 10. We will find the mean. So mean represented by x bar equal to, that is the formula of x1 plus x2 plus x3, so represented by summation x divided by total number of the observation. Summation x value is 7 plus 23 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 9 plus 13 plus 8 plus 6, and total number of the observation n is equal to 10. Add all observation number, that is the value is 7 plus 23 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 9 plus 13 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 84 divided by 10. 84 divided by 10, that is the 84. The answer is arithmetic mean is equal to 8.4. This is 8.4 days. This is arithmetic mean for this question. Listen carefully. We have number of observation, count the total number of the observation, that is represented by n, that is the value is 10. We will find the arithmetic mean for individual series. For direct method, that is the formula is mean x bar is equal to summation x upon n. The value is summation x is equal to 7 plus 23 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 9 plus 13 plus 8 plus 6 divided by total number of observations is 10. 84 को divide किया 10 से, that is the value is 8.4 days. This is a solution in this question. This is the example for direct method. Clear? That is for individual series. Second method, that is shortcut method. Shortcut method. Shortcut method. Shortcut method used for individual series. There are two methods. Individual series, first for direct method we have done. Second, shortcut method. That is the formula of arithmetic mean for individual series. X bar is equal to A plus summation D upon N, where A equal to assumed mean, D equal to deviation from assumed mean. What is the meaning of deviation? Deviation means x minus A, where x is individual series. That means this individual series, or n is equal to number of observation. So first you will identify assumed mean in this observation, that is represented by A. Next, calculate D. D means deviation from assumed mean. From assumed mean. So from assumed mean, that is represent A assumed mean, and a deviation, this that means total number of observation 7. तो 7 minus assumed mean जो भी आपने select किया है, और where x is individual series, the number of the elements, or n is number of observation. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Clear? So we will do the question based on shortcut method. Question, write down. Daily wages of 10 workers of a company are listed below. Daily wages of 10 workers of a company are listed below. Rupees 88, rupees 80, rupees 100, rupees 90, rupees 85, rupees 105, rupees 110, rupees 87, rupees 92, rupees 102. Find the average wages of workers. This is an individual series, and find the average wages. That average wages means arithmetic mean, and we will apply shortcut method. So shortcut method formula is x bar equal to a plus summation d upon n. So first of all, let assumed mean A equal to, randomly you will select, we take 92 in this question, which is represented by X, 88, 80, 100, 90, 85, 105, 110, 87, 92, 102. See the formula. A, I have A 92. Find summation D. So how to calculate D? D equal to X minus A. That is the next column. D equal to X minus A. A is 92 or X is this. 88 is X for this value. 80 for this value. 100 for this value. So that means D equal to X minus A. 88 minus 92, that is the value is minus 4. 80 minus K 92, that is the value is minus 12. 8 minus 2 minus 7. 13, 18 minus 5, 0 and 10. That we will find the value of D, and total number of the observation is represented by summation D. Sum of these value, this value represented by D, and sum of these value, that is the summation D. And add minus 4 plus minus 12 plus 8 plus minus 2 plus minus 7 plus 13 plus 18 plus minus 5 plus 0 and plus 10, and that is the value is summation D is 19. We will apply here n equal to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total number of the observation is 10. So value n is equal to 10. We will find the mean, that is A plus summation D upon n. 92 plus 19 divided by 10. 92 plus 19 divided by 10, that is the value is 1.9. 1.9, and that is 92 plus 1.9 is 93.9, approx rupees 94. The daily wages, the daily average wages of a workers is rupees 94. This is the complete individual series for two methods. First is in this direct method, and second is a shortcut method. We have done one question for direct method and one question for shortcut method. Do you have I have complete any problem? You can ask me. Okay, next method we will try, we will do the next class. Okay, thank you.